107 at Paradiso is a ground floor rear facing 2-bedroom plus study unit in the Paradiso building in Kingscliff. So you're located right in town. In-ground pool in the complex is pictured here. When you access the property, you go through secure gates and then you go up the common area hallway and you walk into a sunroom with aluminium shutters. I've actually had to substitute another property video for 107 because 107 is currently furnished, but by the time of letting it will be made unfurnished, similar to this one. 107 however has a mirrored floor plan and a feature wall in the living room. Good sized living room with air conditioner, modern kitchen with stainless steel appliances. Bedroom is at the rear of the property. It's got ceiling fan, also air conditioner, also ensuite. Adjacent to that is a second bedroom. It's got built-in robes as well. Main bathroom here, and there's also a study which I unfortunately haven't videoed. Facilities in the building include an in-ground pool, tables and chairs around the in-ground pool itself, plenty of established plants. It's certainly Balinese themed inside the building, and at one end of the common area there's a 6-person spa bath. Other facilities include a mini gym and steam room. And there's also a lift from the basement to the first level with secure parking downstairs under the building. That concludes our video presentation of 107 Paradiso. For further information on this property available for permanent rental, please call our office on 0266 745 888, email us at rentals@salesandrentals.com.au or visit our website at salesandrentals.com.au. Are you considering a move to Kingscliff or just want to know what it's like to live here? Then you must download the free Kingscliff app available for Apple and Android. The Kingscliff app is the essential guide for locals and visitors alike. The app contains all you need to know about living and moving to Kingscliff: shopping, dining, what's on, facilities, schools and daycare, services, parks and playgrounds, and so much more. Just search Kingscliff in Google Play or the App Store, or by pausing this video here and scan the QR codes, will lead you directly to the Kingscliff app.